First graders, welcome to your math lesson. We are still continuing with Module 18, but now that we have learned so much, we are ready to review. Take out your books and get ready. Please open to this page in your book. Abra esta página en tu libro. We're going to review together. Let's look at vocabulary. The vocabulary is the hour hand and the minute hand. We're going to look at this green clock to help us find the right answer. Number 1, the hand pointing to the 3 is the, well, let's look at that hand pointing to the 3. Is it the shorter hand or the longer hand? It's shorter, so the hand pointing to the 3 is the hour hand because the hour hand is the shorter hand on the clock. So on number 2, that must mean that the hand pointing to the 12 is the minute hand, of course, the longer hand on the clock. Pause the video if you need more time. Pausa video si necesitas más tiempo. Going forward, now we're going to circle the clock to help show our answer. Let's look at number 3. Which clock shows 5 o'clock? Well, let's start out with this yellow one. It looks like the hour hand is pointing at the 7. So that can't be right. That's not the right answer. How about this red hand, this red clock? Looks like the hour hand is pointing at, now remember the hour hand is the shorter one. It's pointing at the 9. So that can't be right. But in this purple clock, I see the hour hand pointing at the 5. That means that this is the clock that shows 5 o'clock. Let's look at number 4. Which clock shows 6:30? Well, let's start here. Here I see that the hour hand is between the 4 and 5, and the minute hand is pointing at the 6. Okay, but it's in between the 4 and 5. I need to see 6:30. That can't be it. And this next one looks like the hour hand is pointing between the 1 and 2. I'm looking for 6 on the hour hand. That can't be it. But now right over here, I see that the minute hand is still pointing at the 6, which is good because that means that it's 30 minutes. But I need the hour hand to be in between the 6 and 7, which it is. So this is the clock that shows 6:30, 6:30. All right, super. Let's look at number 5. Which digital clock shows 8 o'clock? Now the key part of that is 8:30. This one I see at 8, but I don't see the 30 minutes, so that can't be it. This one I see at 8 and I see 30 minutes. Well, let me double check the last clock. This shows a 7 and 30 minutes. I was looking for 8:30, so it must be this clock here in the middle, 8 o'clock or 8:30. Pause the video if you need more time. Pause el video si necesitas más tiempo. Exit ticket. Boleto de salida. This is your chance, boys and girls, to show us what you have learned. Again, we are reviewing Module 18. School starts at 8 o'clock. Which clock shows 8 o'clock? You will write the letter and draw the clock. La escuela comienza a las 8 en punto. ¿Qué reloj muestra las 8 en punto? Escribe la letra y dibuja el reloj. Take a picture of your work and have your parents send it to your teacher on Class Dojo. Tírale una foto y envíalo a la maestra en Class Dojo. You only need to take a picture of the exit ticket. Solo tira la foto del boleto de salida. Thank you, boys and girls, for joining us on this lesson for a Module 18 review. We look forward to catching up with you again in our next video. Gracias por acompañarnos. Nos vemos pronto en el próximo video por módulo 18.